Good morning, everybody. I'm going to present new chapter, The Tsunami. What do you mean by tsunami? Tsunami refers to a very large and powerful wave in the sea. It is caused by some earthquake under the sea. Tsunami is the natural calamity that causes huge destruction and loss of life and property. On 26 December 2004, one such calamity hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tamil Nadu coast. This part of the chapter gives us some important and inspiring incidents. These occurred when tsunami hit some parts of India. These heart-rending stories are from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These stories show their courage and bitter struggle of survival. The first story is about Ignatius. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m., sensing an earthquake. Ignatius put the television on the ground to save it from the earthquake. Then all the members of the family rushed out of the house. When tremors stopped, here tremors means shaking of the earth, they saw the sea rising. This caused them confusion. They ran but in opposite direction. His wife was swept away. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother, but they all were swept away by the tsunami waves. Thus, Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law and brother-in-law in tsunami. The second story is Sanjeev was a policeman. He managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter. Then he heard the cries for help. These were from John's wife. John was the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to save her. They both were swept away and drowned. Third story is of Meghna. Meghna was 13 years old. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She held on to a wooden door and kept floating on it for 2 days. 11 times she saw relief helicopters, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and saved. Almas was 10 years old. The family was sleeping, but her father had woken up. Alma was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island. The family had gone to Nancoway Island to celebrate Christmas. His father saw the water moving back after the tremors. He knew it would come back with great force. He woke everyone trying to rush to a safer place. As they ran, his father fell down. Alma's father rushed to help him. Then came a big wave and swept them both away. Her mother and aunts were washed away too. They were swept away with the tree they were holding on. Alma saw a log of wood floating. She climbed onto it. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she found herself in a hospital in Kamorta. She was brought to Port Blair. The little girl was so shocked that she did not want to talk about the incident with anyone.